Welcome guys to our YouTube channel. As you can see, my chicken, once they see you with a pot or whatever you carry, a plate, hey, you befriend. They will be following you wherever you go. You can see there the way they are following her. They are hungry, guys. They are hungry. They need food to eat. Feeds, they are expensive. Feeds, they are expensive. Chip 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 chip. Chip 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 chip. Once you call them like that, they will just run. They will just run. Comment down below, because you see, when they know people in the house, once they see you, you are holding something like this, hey, they will run towards you. The problem is that they are sick. Chip 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 chip. Please comment down below, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have something, comment down below, guys. Now I'm giving them their food. If you can see, it's a brown maize. Everyone must be here. So you see one crazy meme did. He jump on this one. I know she can still come like that.